What's up, guys? So what's it like driving a 6-speed Cummins? It's absolutely invigorating. It's fun. Let's go for a ride. Let's check it out. After I pick up the key from the floorboard under the foot pedal. Key in the on position, clutch in, shifter in neutral, crank her on up. Let's do it. The exhaust brake is on, so you will hear it. It sounds absolutely beast, and they're fun to drive. A lot of people speculate, you start off from first or second, whatever you want to start off in, it's all preference. I start off in second, but yeah, let's put the windows all the way down. Let's see what's going on. The thing absolutely sounds tough as hell. Here's first. Watch how torquey it is. Anywho, it sounds tough as hell. I love it. I'm gonna do another video here, driving by in just a second, so stay tuned. Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? It's Mark. Check it out. Behind me is a rare breed. We've encountered and obtained another one. This, my friends, is a shaker, a 6-speed, a stick shift, a manual transmission, whatever the hell you want to call it and label it, that's what it is. It's a 2017 Ram 2500 Tradesman 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel 4x4 6-speed manual transmission. The holy grail of trucks. And brought to you today with a full review, driving, sound clips and sound videos of exhaust, accelerating, and a whole walkthrough real quick as fast as I can. So off the rip, it's got a 2.5-inch leveling kit up front, spacer kit you can see. The truck is from San Antonio, Texas. I want to say I bought it out of San Antonio, Texas, or Dallas, Texas. No rust. It's super clean truck. Maybe a little bit of surface rust if you can find any. Let's see. Just a little bit of mud and dirt from driving through puddles in the rain or whatever, but anywho, it's super clean. Previous owner decided to do, which I've seen a lot, Rhino line textured bottom. It's pretty cool. It's definitely unique, and it's rugged as hell. I like it a lot. These are AE alloy wheels, AE alloys, and they are wrapped around a set of TOYO Open Country 35 1250 20-inch rough terrain tires. They're a nice, grippy looking tire. They're not too aggressive, but they're not too low key either. They're very have a nice stance and a flat kind of surface to them. The tread's very blocky, which I like. I like a blocky tread. My favorite's a mud terrain, obviously, but they look tougher. But drivability wise, whatever floats your boat. The wheels are a 20x10 wheel, black wheel, gloss black wheel. Moving around to the rear, it's got Bilstein shocks on all 4 corners. I'm gonna get underneath the truck for you guys to show you. This is actually, I'm gonna start while I'm here. 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, backup camera. This is a undercover flex bed cover in the rear. It's a spray and bed liner. Got some step rails off of an F-250. It doesn't even belong to this truck. I don't know why they're in here. Anywho, around the side right here, we just put brand new Mopar. I'm gonna show you. Hopefully the truck doesn't roll. Mopar fuel filter on the frame and under the cab, or under the hood. Brand new fuel filters, brand new. Walking around to the side, interior's absolutely impeccable, beautiful. There's the 6-speed transmission. 80,623 maintained miles, a Race Me tuner monitor. WeatherTech floor mats all the way around. Vinyl floors underneath. Super duper freaking clean. You guys want to see the power plant? Let's show you. Automatic lights, Bluetooth connection, exhaust brake, which you've probably seen in the beginning of the video. I'm going to show you. Awesome when you're towing stuff and it sounds like a friggin' jetliner landing. Power windows, automatic lights. There's the VIN number so you can check it out. Right there. The door jambs are super clean. It's got maybe a scratch or two here, or a small little dent in the back, but I mean for this truck, it's a super clean truck. It really is. Here's the power plant, 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. You get your deletes, you get your Ram active air intake, twin Optima batteries, EGR plate, and fluids are good. Clutch fluid's good, power steering fluid's good, coolant, engine coolant's good. So everything's good right there. All the fluids have just been changed about a couple, I'd say a month or two ago. So let's check it on out. We'll go more in depth and show you guys some more videos after the end of this. Ready? Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. Let's get the tow mirrors too, obviously. So boom, 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 boom. So hope you guys like it. Give me a call or shout out about this truck on YouTube, on Facebook. Call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. If you're driving by, it's in Fredericksburg, Virginia, 11002 Patriot Highway. You'll see the two big black monster trucks parked out front. Hope you guys are doing great. See ya.